Hello friends, welcome to Autorobo Innovations. Today in this video we are going to discuss about NOR gate. So let's start. NOR gate is a combination of OR and NOT gates. As you can see on the right hand side, this is the digital circuit of a NOR gate, digital logic circuit. On the left, you can see the truth table in which there are two inputs, A and B, and the output is Y. So, when both inputs are 0, that is, both inputs are false, then the output will be 1. And then, when one of the input is true, that is, when B is on or A is on, then in these two cases, the output will be 0. And when both the inputs are 1 are true, then also the output is false. So for the output of a NOR gate, the output will be true when all the inputs are in false state. So all the inputs should be off, then only the output will be on. In case there is one input on and other inputs are off, then the output will not be on. It will be off. So for output to be on, all the inputs should be off. Then only output will be on. So we will move to EcoStruxure Machine Expert, where we will implement NOR gate. Here I will click on full screen mode and then zoom into it like this. So firstly, I will insert normally closed contacts. I will take two normally closed contacts. That is, we are using two inputs. And then I will insert a coil for the output. So I will assign address to this normally closed contact as I 0.0. I will also add symbol to it as input 0. Yes. And then I will assign address to this normally closed contact as input 1. Sorry, it is address, so it should be I 0.1. I will also add symbol to it as input 1. Yes. And then for coil, I will assign address to it as Q 0.0. I will also add symbol to it as output. Yes. So here we are using two inputs, input 0 and input 1, and the output. So for output to be on, both these inputs should be off. If one input is on, then the output will not be on. So I will exit full screen mode. I will go to commissioning and launch simulator. And then I will start controller. To do so, click OK. And then I will go back to programming tab and click on full screen mode. So as you can see, these two inputs are in false state. These are off. And the output is true. The output is on. So here we have used normally closed contacts. And in false state, these normally closed contacts allow current to flow. As a result, the output will be on. And in case if I turn on I 0.0, that is when input 0 is true and input 1 is false, then this normally closed contact in true state will not allow current to flow. And as a result, the output will be off. And similarly, when I turn on input 1, so input 0 is false and input 1 is true. So in this case, this normally closed contact in true state will not allow current to flow through it, and as a result, the output is false. And in case if I turn on both these inputs, that is input 0 is true as well as input 1 is true. So in these cases, these both normally closed contacts in true states will not allow current to flow. As a result, this output will be off. So for output to be on, these inputs should be off. So here we were using only two inputs. So I will go to commissioning and stop simulator. So here we can take more than two inputs. So for that, I will take one more normally closed contact and place it here. I will connect it in series. So I will assign address to it as I0.2, and I will also add symbol to it as input 2. Yes. Similarly, if I want to add one more input, I will simply add one more normally closed contact here in series. So for now, we are using three inputs. So here for output to be on, all these three inputs should be off. So I will exit full screen mode, go to commissioning and launch simulator. And then I will start controller. Okay. So I will go back to programming and click on full screen mode. So here, as you can see, when all these inputs are in false state, these are off and the output is true. So these are normally closed contacts. In false state, they allow current to flow, and as a result, the output is true. So if I turn on I0.2, so this normally closed contact in true state will not allow current to flow. As a result, this output will become off. So in this way, we can implement NOR gate in PLC programming. It was all about this video. Please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.